Hello everybody, I'm so excited to share this wedding card that I made using the Notes of Nature stamp set. It's available in the spring of 2024 mini catalog through Stampin' Up. I started by stamping my background onto the card front using Pecan Pie ink on Pecan Pie paper. I then embossed a strip using the Timeworn Type embossing folder, and then distressed it using the Pecan Pie ink. Then I cut out the leaves using the Notes of Nature dies and glued them to the front, and then stamped my greeting. The greeting says, "Here's to beautiful beginnings and happily ever afters," which I think is perfect for a wedding card. I distressed it before I put it on the card front using the Stampin' Dimensional. I made sure the leaves were in the perfect spot so that you could see them, and then attached it to my card base. Then stamped the inside of my card using the Notes of Nature stamp set again, and the congratulations from the Something Fancy set. I stamped the back of the card in the envelope, and then my wedding card is finished. Happy stamping!